right now you're standing on the beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
It's
it's
water.
the ocean.
It's the ocean.
Where you don't see any islands, it's actually the ocean to Finland.
Yeah.
I think you can actually...
Jag tror vi kan gå på skoterspåret.
Var är det någonstans då?
You can try to go to the beach house and walk on the snowmobile tracks.
Yeah.
It's much harder.
Is this actually water or is this shore?
Sorry?
Is this the shore or is this the water? This is the beach.
This is beach, the sand.
We can try to go where the snow scooter has been, so it's easier to walk.
Okay.
The
So
tracks
we
are
don't-
much harder there.
Wave.
Oh, it looks so funny.
I can't even get to my footing. I really want to do a cartwheel. Starts with an A. What's the word? What's the word?
Archipelago.